Hi everyone, I hope you are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Epson 3111 printer driver on your PC or on your laptop. So over here, you just have to open your web browser in your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Epson L3111 printer driver. When you type it here in the search bar, simply hit enter. Now you will see bunch of different links from the official website of Epson. So you can click on any of these links. Then you can open these in a new tab just like so. Now after opening it, as you can see, this is Epson L3111. So here simply scroll down, then click on the option of downloads. Over here click on the option of drivers. Here you will find the drivers. So click on the option of driver again, then click on the option of download. So when you click on the option of download, a pop-up will be opened in front of you. You just have to do nothing but to just click on the option of save, and this particular driver will be installed on your device. So basically after downloading it, in order to install it, you need to double click on the driver, and then you can follow the process of installing it on your PC or on your laptop very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.